up guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is your first time seeing me. Hello, it's your girl Diamond Janae here on YouTube, and as you guys can see by the title, your girl is doing another synthetic wig review for you guys. And of course, this week's wig is actually going to be Miss Arlissa. I feel like I be butchering a lot of these wig names, y'all, so definitely bear with me.
Go on with it, go on with it. Do us, so we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the task to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be Lord. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board that only see the road and me go on with the road. Third for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire team. Now up on stage with credits I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say I just shut down, saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, man, in a live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, so just to the plus. Yeah, my gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be Lord. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board that only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. Just show blessings upon me. And send me if you tell them a story. Just show blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the job. Free, I'm in the light. Jah knows I'm a passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the task to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be Lord. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board that only sit the road and me go on with the road. To us, yeah, to us. Oh, in the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks.
Alright guys, so now that all that fun stuff is done and over with, now we can get into the actual review on this wig. And I will say, just a disclaimer, the way I usually do my wig reviews is that I install the hair one day and then I usually wait at least a day minimum to sit down and record the second half of the video as far as the actual review goes, just to be more... Like, to me, it's like I can't really consider it a wig review unless I actually like wore the hair for a decent amount of time, at least in my personal opinion. So that's the reason why I like to do my content kind of the way I do it. But anyways, besides all that, so basically today is actually April 3rd, which is a Monday. I did install this wig Friday night, so I have been wearing this hair for a little bit of time, I will say that. So I will say Friday night I did install this hair. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I probably wore this hair for maybe like an hour, maybe a little bit more than that after I got done shooting the content I needed to do as far as the install goes. And then I will say I did wear this hair all day Saturday. Me and my friends had actually went out on Saturday to celebrate Malaysia's birthday, so a big shout out to you. This hair was sitting on my head for about 12 hours, and honestly, y'all, out of all the wigs that I feel like I've done a wig review for these past couple weeks, this is probably my favorite. And it's my favorite for multiple reasons, and I'm gonna get into that in a second. But yeah. But yeah guys, so all in all, your girl is absolutely loving this wig to death. I'm actually really hoping and praying that this hair will stay nice until Easter, because I definitely do see myself wearing this hair. But before I get ahead of myself, I just wanted to let you guys know I did get this wig off of Amazon. Big shout out to Amazon with the 2-day shipping. The price I paid for this wig was $38.91, so basically $39 to get this wig. But it's like, when I tell y'all, when it comes to the tangling and the shedding, very bare minimum, nothing crazy whatsoever. I absolutely, and when I tell y'all, I absolutely love, number one, the cut. the shape, the curl, the overall style is giving very much cute. So I'm not gonna hold y'all. Your girl was very much nervous when I first plopped this drawing on that Friday, because I was like, I was looking real like James Brownish, if y'all know what I'm talking about, and I was very much nervous at first. And I'm just like, how is this wig about to look on me? Because I'm not trying to look a hot mess on Saturday when me and my friends go out. Like, a girl was starting to get a little bit nervous, okay? But thankfully, literally all I had to do once the lace was situated and all that fun stuff, all I had to do was literally just run my hands through the curls and kind of like let the curls fall the way that they're supposed to fall in a way, and then kind of just let it do its thing. And that's basically what this wig is looking like, and is still looking like, because again, now today is Monday. I will say though, Sunday I did not wear this hair whatsoever. Sunday was definitely my lazy day. Your girl did absolutely nothing. But yeah, so like I said before, tangling and shedding very minimum. I absolutely do love the fact that I was able to wear this outfit all night and not, I said this wig all night, and not feel like I have to double check my hair in the mirror or double check my hair in my phone or anything like that. Like, I always just knew, like, whenever like this felt like it was coming like too close to my eye or something, all I would have to do is just flip it like this, and then the hair would basically kind of just go back into place, which I really do love, because that's one of my main pet peeves when it comes to hair in general, whether it's human or synthetic. I don't like feeling like I have to keep touching up my hair and I have to keep like checking myself, and that makes sense. Like, I want to be able to just go throughout my day and maybe have to adjust it like this, like kind of like what I'm doing now, but other than that, not really have to worry about having to actually look and like manipulate the hair too much. So I do love the fact that, like, even earlier when I did install this hair, I would say like an hour or two ago, like literally the curls were looking a little bit crazy, because again, I did not wear this wig since Saturday night, and I literally just threw it on top of my wig box because I was just ready to get ready for bed. But I was a little bit nervous, so the wig did look a little, not crazy, but it definitely didn't look like perfect or whatever. But literally when I reinstalled this hair real quick and I just brushed out the curls literally fell back to the way they're supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? So I absolutely love that. So I love knowing that I can literally just softly run my hands through this hair and just kind of like flip it and make it go back into place, because we all know how it is when you brush out synthetic hair a little too much. So I really do love how it doesn't take me that long to kind of like rebrush out the curls and have the curls sit the way they're supposed to. So I like that a lot. I definitely will say the wearability of this wig is very good. It still looks just as nice as it did even after a whole night out on Saturday. We all know how it is when you and your girlfriends go out, especially if y'all haven't been out in the group. Listen, we was outside. Okay, so the fact that my hair still stayed pretty good throughout the whole entire night with very minimum touch-ups, like again, just a quick recurling depending on if I'm moving around a lot or whatever. But other than that, it wasn't bad at all, so no complaints there. We'll see how this hair lasts me. Of course, I will be keeping you guys updated, and of course your girl is going to be doing a wig update video for this wig as well. But again, as of now, zero complaints. Like, this was very refreshing, because I'm not gonna lie, the last couple wigs I've been reviewing, either the lace wasn't all that good, or the cap construction wasn't all that good, or just the hair itself wasn't all that good. But this, again, the cap construction, I will say the only negative thing I will say is that I wish it was more curved than more straight back. But I also feel like it's one of those things where, like, if I really put my effort into it, I would be able to kind of do it myself anyways. But other than that, I really don't have any cons about this wig whatsoever. It was very easy to customize. As you guys can see, the lace looks pretty good as well, with again very minimum effort. So yeah guys, so that's pretty much it. So far Miss Arlissa is definitely a winner. Like, y'all, like when I tell y'all I love this style so much, I just do. Like, I just feel like my life is so put together. Like, I don't know, I'm feeling like just sophisticated. I don't know how to explain it, but like I definitely feel like this kind of like elevates me in a way. Like, I don't know, I just love this cut, this style, just everything about it. I'm just like, beautiful. But yeah, y'all, so that's pretty much it as of now. Of course, you guys will be getting the update video for this wig later on after I wear this hair for at least a week. Again, I'm really hoping and praying this hair is gonna be cute to the point where I can get away with wearing it for Easter, because this is definitely giving me like cute like Sunday service vibes too. So yeah, but that's pretty much it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was informative and all that good fun stuff. But yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below for more wig reviews, wig updates, and overall lifestyle content and all that good fun stuff. And I will definitely see you guys in my next one.